Hey, what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Nancy of Broomfield. Insurance company treated us very badly. I feel like they should not be called an insurance company. They should be called something else because they treat us like they're enemies for no reason. We thought we bought insurance to protect our house, but it was like commencing a war. We suffered damages in our house, and as of today, we did not receive any checks or any resolution. They have sent the letters and checks to another address, so we did not know what they were saying. Now they said it was too late to complain about something we had told them when they came for the inspection. I feel like they sent the letters to a different address with bad intentions. I feel so down and my life is not the same after the storm in the insurance company, right? So that might be a little bit dramatic, but I do understand how clients feel when they start working with the insurance company. The insurance company instantly treats them like they are the enemy, like you as the insured have done something wrong by committing a crazy action of filing a claim, right? Like, oh my gosh, how dare you actually use your insurance policy for what it was designed for? What? Right? But that's the thing. And so one thing that not a lot of people know, but I'll tell you now because it's so pertinent, is the name Bellator is actually Latin for the war or warrior. And it seems pretty apt, doesn't it? Because this is what we deal with on a daily basis. The insurance company treats us like they treat the insured. The difference is, though, we know how to push back. We know how to fight back. We know what their duties are within the policy. We know how to interpret that and make sure that we're being treated fairly on behalf of our insured, right? And so that's the difference, is we know what we're doing because we do this every single day. You have a life. You have a job. You probably have a family, right? So this is the difference, is you go do your job every day. You're probably extremely great at it, right? We do this every day. And most people don't have a claim every single day of their lives. It just doesn't happen that way, right? It's a few years usually between claims. And sometimes you go 15, 20 years without a claim. So you don't do this very often. The insurance company knows that. They have people that do it every day. They're the insurance company's employees or subcontracted adjusters, independent adjusters, things like that. And they know that you don't do this every day. They know that they do. So who's gonna win that as far as education and knowledge within the policy and within the process, right? We do this every day. So we wanna help you. If you have not been treated fairly, if your payments from your insurance company have been diminished, meaning they have underpaid your claim or they denied your claim, let us take a look. Let's see what we can do for you. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.